My name is Gert Spek. I am the lead engineer at Hardt Hyperloop, and I've been so for the last 6 years. At Hardt Hyperloop, we are working on the new transportation system called Hyperloop. It is a rail-based-like system using magnetic levitation in tubes like this, allow transport from one city to another city at aircraft speeds without having to go all the way to the air. At Hardt, Marple is used for data analysis, actually throughout the entire testing process. So we start with some testing goals, we configure the vehicle, send it out through the tube, do its run, and then afterwards we immediately take the data, upload it to Marple, and there we analyze to see if it meets performance criteria. And if we do see something that's out of the ordinary, we tag a fellow engineer, send them a link to take a look as well to see if we can figure out what the anomaly might be. The advantage of using Marple is, first of all, it's fast. You are looking at your data within seconds. Second of all, it's on the web, so looking at it with multiple people, especially when working remote is now also a thing, makes it much easier. And I think my favorite part is being able to calculate stuff based on the data that is in Marple, using it as my personal calculator, but also giving new insights in case something might require a little bit more analysis. You can still do that in Marple. We use Marple almost all the time that we're testing. Whether it's immediately looking while someone else is doing a test, someone might actually be looking at some previous test in some deep dives, but actually one of the web pages that is open will most often be Marple. Marple does definitely make the life of an engineer easier, especially when you need to look at something in your data quickly, and having the big overview, even if you maybe didn't prepare your scripts to look at a certain issue, you can just quickly add another signal, compare them, look at them in different time scales, scale the signals to have everything in one view, and often you find relations that you otherwise would have missed because there's so much data to look at. If you don't have quick overviews, you just can't find the issues. I would definitely recommend Marple to other engineers as it just speeds up the data analysis workflow. I think you can't do proper engineering without also the last step of looking at what is actually going wrong. And if you can see your entire system, all the states, all the things that might be going wrong, it helps you so much quicker to debug problems and find the root cause of what might actually be going wrong.